Cervical cancer, that is the cancer of uterine cervix, is caused by a virus called human papillomavirus. This virus is transmitted in sexually active both men and women through sexual contact. Cervical cancer vaccination prevents that transmission and thus significantly decreases the chances of both HPV infection as well as cervical cancer. Cervical cancer is the second most common cancer in female in our country, and India contributes about 1/4 of the cervical cancer cases to the world. Besides that, the rate of cervical cancer screening with pap smear in our country is less than 2% because no woman would like to go to a gynecologist if she doesn't have any symptoms or problems. But cervical cancer do not cause any symptoms in the early stages, and that's why cervical cancer vaccine is the most effective and economical way to prevent cervical cancer. All women, all sexually active women till 45 years of age can take this vaccination. But the ideal, or you can say that the targeted age group is 9 to 14 years for both girls and boys. Yes, for the boys also. And there is a reason for this. First, in this age group, both girls and boys are not sexually active. They are not sexually exposed to the virus. So the effectivity of the vaccine is maximum in this age group. The dose of HPV vaccination depends upon the age group. Between 9 to 14 years of age, only 2 doses at 0 and 6 months is sufficient. At and above 15 years of age, 3 doses at 0, 1 and 6 months interval completes the entire protocol. At present, we have a 10-year-old data regarding safety and efficacy for cervical cancer vaccination, and that's why we can assure you that it is about 70% effective to prevent cervical cancer, 85% effective in decreasing the HPV infection, and 100% effective to prevent the genital warts. At present, 2 types of HPV vaccinations are available in India. One is the Gardasil and second is Cervarix. Gardasil is active against 4 strains of HPV virus, whereas the Cervarix is active only against 2 strains of HPV vaccination. So as a gynecologist, we will prefer to give you Gardasil because Gardasil gives you protection against cervical cancer as well as genital warts.